into seating. Our inside lane, lane 1 will be the Aero Dragons. Lane 2, Dragon Max 1. And 3, Bad Lightning. And lane 4, Lard Red. On lane 5, Fire on Water. And on lane 6, KP Dragon Fit. So we're not going to call any of the cops on those orange uniforms going out right now, right? Isn't that the Alcatraz Paddling Club, APC?
Why, yes, indeed, that is the Alcatraz team. But there is one person on that team that we're going to have to look out for, and isn't it?
Oh, yes. Youth getting carried away on the microphone, but we have a clean start for heat number 7. Again, on lane number 1, we have the Aero Dragons, and lane 2, Dragon Max 1. Lane 3, Bad Lightning. Lane 4, LA Racing Dragons Red, Lard Red. On lane 5, Fire on Water. And lane 6, KP Dragon Fit.
Looks to be a clean start with nobody in particular getting the lead, but it looks like Dragon Max is getting the edge there.
You got young eyes. You should be able to see who's all the way out there.
I wish I could, but I wouldn't be wearing glasses if I did have young eyes.
I don't know, but it looks like to me Dragon Max 1 in lane 2, and in lane 4, Lard Red.
And
Coming up towards the halfway point.
looks like lane 3, Bad Lightning is competing as well.
Lane 2, Dragon Max 1. Lane 4, LA Racing Dragons, Lard Red.
Lane 2, Dragon Max 1 seems to be holding that lead up in the second half, but lane 4, Lard Red, seems to be catching up, and it looks like he's almost overtaking them.
I don't know, is it going to be Dragon Max 1 in lane 2? Is it going to be Lard? Is it Lard fading? Oh, look out in lane 1. Aero Dragons still trying to make a play. Is there enough room? No problem, Dragon Max 1. Look at that. Right for Aero Dragons in lane 1.
Oh, man,
Still
Aaron's
challenging
pushing them.
Lard Red in lane 4. No problem, Dragon Max 1. This is a close one. Is it Aero Dragons? Is it Lard Red? Here comes Bad Lightning in 3.
Looks like
Fire on Water.
Fire on the Water is only setting fire to only one boat, and that would be 6 KP Dragon Fit.